Alright guys, here we go. Video for local gentleman. He wanted me to cut a video on this thing before he got it. One pill 2879 45 amp power supply that Gump did a while back. Good running units. Toshiba 2879 and the one pill. It's in a 4-pill, 5-pill cabinet, whatever you want to call it. Got a fan built on it. Power supply also has a fan on it. Power supply runs at 15 volts. These are kind of a mated unit. I got these from him a while back, and really good running one pill. Has a sideband delay on it, AM, and then in the middle it's just off. So AM, sideband, middle's off. Again, this one's pending sold to a local operator. And we're going to test it. I'll test it with a 148, one of these old junky 148s I've got. This one actually does work, so I'll test it on sideband with it. I think this thing does about 20-25 watts on sideband. And then I'll test it with my Uniden 66, and that's a Gump tuned radio as well. So we're going to test her out and make sure everything's cool before it hits the road, and go from there. So power the thing up here on sideband, and if you can see my meter back there, we'll put it on peak. And we got a 1,000-watt slug in here, bottom scale. Test, 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 audio, test, test, about 140, what is that, 140, 150 watts, about 150 watts or so. Now, you can see our sideband delay is working. We stop talking, it'll unkey, but it's not sitting there chattering. Working just the way it's intended to work. No chatter, no nothing like that. Flip it up on AM and you'll hear it chatter. Hello, hello, hello. So that's the difference. That's your sideband delay working. So sideband delay works good, just the way it's intended to. As you can see, the radio is on sideband. It's not on AM. Now we're going to test it with a AM radio and show you what it'll do with the Uniden on AM. So give me a second. I'll pause the video. I'll be right back. Okay, here we are back. Got the Uniden hooked up now. This is my trusty bench radio. Does about 35 to 40 PEP. And does about 10 to 11 watts average. This is one that Gump did up a while back. So we're going to run it into this one pill. Put the one pill on AM. And let's see, I can't remember if I put my meter back on peak or not. It's on average. So we'll test it on average first. 1,000-watt slug, bottom scale. Hello. Audio, about 60 watts. Audio, you could say a little bit over 60. Sorry about jerking the camera around there. Turn some dead key up. Hello. About 60 watts average. Now we'll go to peak. Bottom scale still. Hello, audio, about 150 PEP, audio, radio, audio test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, audio, get it at different angles there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, audio test, about 150 on the dot. This is at 15 volts, so running good. It's actually going to keep these and run them into my single 500Z, but I've got that Yaesu that I run into a single 500Z all the time, so they've just been sitting here. I think I've used this one a couple times to test some 4 pills and stuff with. Excuse me. But I've also got a little 2-pill 1446 that I use for that. So letting somebody get it that's going to put it to use good running stuff here. Good power supply, good heavy duty power supply. I think that's a Meanwell in there. I know it's a 45 amp. And then the Toshiba 2879 in here. If it ever goes out, of course you can drop a HG in it, but I don't really see it having a failure anytime soon unless you just go crazy and, you know, drive something insane into it. But good running little combo. 60 watts average, 150 PEP. And there you go, man. Hope you enjoy. Again, guys, this one's pending sold. If it doesn't sell, I will update the video, but local guy's already said he's going to take it, so just doing this video for him. Alright, questions, comments, complaints, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.